Hello everybody, hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be your ultimate guide for micro presentation. In this video, I'll be telling you guys each and everything that you need to know about micro presentation, some general tips, and yes, along with that, I will be giving you guys the list of the most important 100 topics which I think can come for this year's micro presentation. So please guys, make sure you watch this video till the very end. Just one request I have before I start this video is for all those people who haven't subscribed to my channel, please guys, please subscribe to my channel because it will be a great motivation for me to make more videos for you all. Along with that, it will give you guys regular updates of whatever videos that I'm uploading. So now let's get started. The first and the foremost thing that you guys need to do after you finish watching this video is please guys go and watch the video that I've made on micro presentations sometime back. That video has everything that you need to know about all the important tips to ace your micro presentation, the important topics from last year which can also come for this year. Along with that, a one sample demo answer that I have recorded for all you people. I have used my past experience of the micro presentation topic that I got while I was appearing for the Christ University entrance test and the answer that I gave and that helped me get selected at Christ University. So guys, after you're done watching this video, please go and watch the previous video that I've made about the tips to ace your micro presentation. I will be putting down the link of this video in the description below, so make sure you check that out. Now coming to the few important tips that you guys need to ensure while you're going through and preparing for your micro presentation is that guys, you need to practice a few topics daily. Now I know that I've given you 100 topics, which means that even if you do one topic a day, like for 3 months, it won't be done. So you need to practice about 2 to 3 topics each day. And you guys need to practice seriously and diligently. Coming to the second most important tip which I want to give it to you guys is that please guys stick to the allotted time of 90 seconds only. For all those who don't know, your interviewer will give you about 30 seconds to prepare for the topic and 90 seconds to conduct your speech. You guys need to put in your opinions, take a stand, give out details about the topic that can be asked to you, and it is very important to do all of that within 90 seconds. I know last year a lot of you people after your interview messaged me saying that bhaiya, our interviewer stopped us after 90 seconds were done and we could not complete. We hadn't even started well. We were just about to bring in the important topic, but he stopped us before that. So guys, your interviewer can stop you after the 90 seconds are done. If you are lucky, they might give you more time to speak, but I'm pretty sure not everyone is going to be that lucky. So please make sure that you finish your micro presentation within 90 seconds, which means that whatever important things that you need to describe to your interviewer, make sure you do that and don't keep anything for the last. Now, one important question that I've got from a lot of you people recently is that bhaiya, what if we don't know the answer to that micro presentation? So guys, one thing that you need to understand is that for the micro presentation topic, there is no correct answer. The interviewer, all they just want to know is that how you will be able to conduct yourself and talk in front of your peers, your teachers and everybody else. Along with that, they also want to know if you have a general knowledge about the few important things that are happening around yourself, around your country, around the world. Okay, so I just hope that situation doesn't arise where you don't know anything about the topic, but since the country is so vast and the world is so vast, it can very well happen that you do not have any idea about the topic that your interviewer gives. During those times, the best thing that you can do is that you can come out very confidently and tell your interviewer that, sir, I'm really sorry, but I do not have an idea about this topic, or I'm not really confident talking about this topic. Can you by any chance give me another topic to speak on? This way, if you're lucky, then the interviewer can say that, okay, you can speak on this topic. Now, another question that I've received from people is that what if they give us another topic and we don't know about that topic as well? And that will be a very tricky situation to be at. But just in case even that happens, again, you can say them the same thing, or you can say like that, sir, ma'am, I'm really sorry, I do not know, or I do not have an idea about that, but I know something about XYZ, which is either related or completely different, and you can talk about that. To give you an example, assuming the interviewer says that talk to us about or give us an overview about the farmers protest, and just in case you don't know about the farmers protest, so you can just say that, sir, ma'am, I'm really sorry, I do not know about the farmers protest, but at the same time I know about the new education policy, so do you want me to talk about that? Okay, so you can do that as well, but just give them the option of giving you another topic. So I hope that is clear to all of you people. Coming to the list of 100 free topics, guys, right away the link is in the description below, so make sure you check that out. That has all the topics that I feel can come in this year's micro presentation. However, they are not the only topics that you need to prepare from. Like I've told you, since you will be reading newspapers, you will be going through a lot of books, you will be consulting online websites, there can be a topic from anywhere and everywhere. Okay, so that it doesn't mean that if you prepared for the from the list that I have given, only those topics will come. However, the topics that I've given are very highly likely to come for your micro presentation, but they're not the only topics. So make sure if you're done studying about these 100 topics, make sure to go out and read about more of the other topics that you can. However, I think if you practice through these 100 topics, it will be more than enough to be very confident in your micro presentation. So that's about it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any doubts, questions or queries. Share this video on your Instagram, with your friends, on your WhatsApp groups, and anybody and everybody whom you think can be benefited out of it. Last but not the least, please guys, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get regular notifications of whenever I'm uploading any new videos. Take care, bye bye, have a great day.